Hello boys and girls, today we are doing a drawing of a tree. We're going to start with our black crayon. Okay, so everyone go ahead and grab a black crayon or a black marker and we are going to start. In my classroom we will be using black crayons, so if you're with me in class, please go ahead and grab a black crayon. We're going to start with the base of our tree and we're going to do a bunch of lines out to make our tree branches look very, very tall. Okay, so we're going to start with the base of our tree and we're going to do 2 lines like this, just like you would start the letter H. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and color that in right across from here. And that's going to be our base, okay guys? Very, very simple. We're going to use this in my classroom. I bet some of you are going to be using black, some of you are going to be using brown, some of you are going to be using green. Okay, let's get started. We're going to continue with our branches and I'm going to be wiping the crayon away. Make sure not to wipe it towards your neighbor because we don't want it on their paper either. So I'm going to take my crayon and I'm going to guide my line out to the side. I'm just going to give myself a long branch like that. Okay, I'm going to bring it back in right here. And I'm going to darken that line right there. Okay, we're going to be doing a very colorful tree right now. Or I'm sorry, a very dark tree, but a very colorful piece of art today. I'm going to branch out and do a few little cuts here to make our branches look very, very long and detailed. Okay. And as I go along, I'm going to be making my branches a little bit thicker and adding more colors to them. Okay, guys? So have fun with your branches and your details and make sure that you color it in very, very well. So if we use this for a painting, then you will have some spaces to color in. If we use this for a drawing, you will have some in between the branches to color in. Okay, so now we're going to go to the other side here, and we're going to go all the way to the other side of our page here, and then bring it all the way back. Okay, color it in a little more, and we're going to branch out that side as well. Okay, I might make this side a little bit bigger. Okay. Make a little number 4 there. Looks like a little hand coming out. Okay. I'm going to do another one here. And we're going to fill the page with nothing but branches. Make sure to leave space in between your branches like this. Okay. But we are going to be branching out. Okay. Go ahead and make your branches out. We're going to cover this whole page in branches. Whatever color you're using, make sure that you cover the page in branches, but leave enough spaces for you to make your artwork very colorful. Okay. Very nice. Now let's keep going. I'm going to make a branch right here. Okay, another one. Let's keep this one going. I'm going to make this one touch the top of the page. All the way to the top, all the way to the top. Keep it going. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. Okay, now I'm going to go backwards. And I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to lead my branch all the way down to the bottom. Okay. I'm still building. I want my branches to go all over the page, okay guys? So make sure you're adding your branches in wherever you can. Oh, I like that space there. Very simple line drawing, guys. Okay, we're continuing to add to our branches with our crayon. Okay, thickening those branches up. Okay, connecting them. And again, start at the base and you can go upwards. I'm gonna make this one a thick branch right here. Add in that darkness. Or the brightness, considering if you're using green, that would look pretty bright. Okay, let's see. I need to go and fill this entire space right here. So I'm going to make this part a little bit thicker. Okay, we're going to keep going. And I'm going to make sure that my branches don't end before they touch the top. Okay, I want all of my lines to have to the top of my page here. Okay, I want those connections to be made. But I also want those branches to go all the way to the top of my page. All the way to the top. Okay, continuing this, I'm going to make sure my branches end at the end of the page. Okay, I have a few lined out, which is fine, but I'm going to make these longer ones end at the end of the page right here. Okay. So if we're here and we're finishing our drawing, you're going to go ahead and get crayons and you're going to color in these different spaces. And I look forward to seeing how your drawing looks when it's done.